who lived up to a few years back. Now, the story becomes more complicated because you see that there were many things here. No? Rizal made this nice portrait of Josephine in wood. And just to show you, the national artist for sculpture, Napoleon Abueva, made a Rizal and Josephine sculpture, which is now in the Yushchenko Museum. I'm sorry, this is X-rated. No? This is, I'm sorry, it's Rizal on top of Josephine. We have the top picture here. And Abueva cannot do a human figure, no? They look like monsters. Anyway, Rizal and Josephine in bed. And the strange thing there is, look, Josephine just looks dazed. She's spread-eagled. Rizal has his left hand on her shoulder. And what is he doing with his right? He's writing. Abueva's explanation is Rizal loved writing and sex. No? This is really crazy. Anyway, now, when you think of these things, presuming there was sex, in the Rizal family, they actually have a name for the stillborn child. Josephine had a miscarriage, and the child was supposedly a boy. And the boy, before I became chairman of the Historical Commission, if you went to Fort Santiago, there was this very baduy. It was a tree in a planter. There was a stalk which said, literally family tree, no? Francisco Mercado Chedor Alonso, and then there are 11 branches. The 7th branch has Jose Rizal, Josephine Bracken, then there's a little thing that says Jose B. Rizal. Sabi ko, wow, may pangalan pa, si Jose. So later on, of course, when I became chair, I had that thrown in the basura. When I was interviewing the Rizal descendants, they have a different name. In the Rizal family, the child's name is not Jose. The child's name is Peter. So I asked Asuncion Lopez Bunto, bakit Peter? Basta si Peter yan, no? Huwag ka naman tanong. O sige po, si Peter. But a traumatic experience happened one day when I would visit them when they're playing mahjong, no? And then I would have lunch there. One day when we were eating, I made the mistake of saying, Lola, kung nabuhay mo kaya si Peter, anong nangyari doon? Then they were quiet. Siguro kung nabuhay si Peter, matalino yun, ano? And then everyone banged their utensils on the plates and they kept quiet. So when they banged their cubiertos, I knew, oh, something is wrong. So I just look at your food, no? And then nobody was talking 5 minutes na. How do you break the ice? I turned to one of the descendants and I said, Lola, can you pass the rice, please? And then she's looking at me and then, ano sinabi mo? Please pass the rice.